Welcome back TikTok, welcome back YouTube. I hope 2025 trading is doing pretty good for y'all. I showed my last P&L yearly in my last video, so if y'all guys want to go look at that, y'all can guys go take a look and then come back to this video. So today's gonna be the last trade recap um, for 2025. Um, I have a lot to talk about in terms of crypto and what to look forward to and why I'm going to be trading it bullish, but that's going to be in the later segment of this video. For right now, I just want to cover ES for today and NQ for today. So yeah, let's get straight into it here. So London sesh, we kind of went up and then kind of came down. It was pretty weird. Pre-market we fell, and then at 8 a.m. we shot up pretty bullishly, and then we did take out these 1 hour and these 4 hour highs. So I'm no longer going to be looking at those. Um, so then next that we got to look at is okay. So we made those. So now these become our new lows. Actually, let's check that real quick. Those do become our new 4 hour lows. So let's swap back to 15 minute. So these are our new lows for now. I'm going to be trading for the rest of this week because I know that price action gets pretty terrible around the week of Christmas. So I don't recommend trading in my personal opinion. Um, so we just got these to target now. And I probably won't even be here to be able to trade that. So yes. And then those do become our new lows. Same thing for NQ to literally a T. Same thing happened. Those become our new lows. These are 15-minute highs to target. And then we got these 1 hour. Yeah, these are 1 hour. Indeed, these are 1 hour. And then these become our 4 hour highs as well. And this is a 4 hour wick. So that's just to look out forward to. And then that is pretty much everything. Of course, we get a pop up. Okay, so that's literally everything that I have for futures now. Now for Bitcoin, I'm targeting this right here. This is a nice strong liquidity, and it is a nice 4 hour fair value gap. A lot of a liquid price range. We probably won't meet resistance until we meet the top of this. So my entry point is if we break above this, because I mean this is just pretty easy to target. If we look at 1 hour, 1 hour is also looking pretty decent. We do have a pretty good stacked up drawn liquidity. We do have a 1 hour fair value gap as of right here. So I know we are making a slight bearish candle. If we go on 15 minute, price action is moving pretty slowly. But now let's get into why I'm going to be trading Bitcoin pretty. Gotta look at my notes here. So it says institutional outlook on all-time highs 2026. Major asset managers like Bitwise and Graycycle are forecasting that Bitcoin could break traditional cycle patterns and hit on the all-time highs in 2026, driven by continued ETF adoption and institutional capital flow. Um, U.S. crypto institutional outlook and funding shifts. Large capital market and sovereign wealth funds are actively engaging with crypto events and secure long-term projections. For example, major players gathering in the U.S. signals continued global institutional and interest in Bitcoin and crypto infrastructure. So, and then we do have and then Bitcoin 2026, the world largest conference, one of the biggest industries events. Bitcoin 2026 is scheduled for April 27th and April 29th, 2026 in Las Vegas. This is typically it draws tens of thousands of developers, investors, and political leaders to set the tone for Bitcoin trends and institutional for the year. So that's driving a lot of it's the largest Bitcoin event. It's happening in Las Vegas, 27th through the 29th. It drives a lot of investors into Bitcoin. So we will definitely be live for that. We will definitely be watching the conference on this channel because obviously I want to be one of the biggest BTC traders here. That is one of my end goals here. because there's a lot of trading opportunity coming in 2026. So like I said, there's a lot of ETFs being made around Bitcoin, and we also have the largest Bitcoin conference there. So Bitcoin 2026. I'm trading it pretty bullish in my opinion, since we have those major factors and it is getting widely adopted more and more. So I'm assuming that we will break all-time highs of that 126 and continue to scale, and portfolios will be getting a lot larger here. So that's why I'm gonna be trading, and I probably will pop up a picture on the screen of the information that I've gathered. So if y'all guys want to go check out those sources and fact check me, y'all can. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I know y'all have it in y'all to be able to be bullish in 2026. I know y'all have literally everything it takes to be able to be a profitable trader. Don't let self-doubt creep in. And um, if you had major losses in 2025, I want you to go back and go look at all the losses and gather all of that data and pretty much retest and reconstruct all of that, because 2026 for you, if you're unprofitable here in 2025, I'm definitely going to be helping y'all in terms of be able to give y'all a little bit more insight, maybe slightly more info to what y'all can do. So I am going to possibly be launching a Discord so y'all guys can chat in there, and I'm also going to be offering 4 tiers. It's going to be a one-on-one, so y'all guys can sit here and possibly trade live with me. I'm still kind of thinking about that, because I obviously do want to help y'all guys in the long run, but also I'm taking on quite a bit of risk, because then y'all will be determining me for y'all's outcomes there. But I like posting videos on here so y'all guys can sit here and watch and learn. So I'm still going to be contemplating that. I definitely want to gain more traction on my social media platforms so I can have bigger outreach and help more traders just like you, because that just helps me. And I have a lot of info in this industry. I've been trading Bitcoin longer than I have been trading futures, so I feel more confident in my trades here. I probably won't be posting futures trade. It'll probably be more of like a BTC USD, because I have more knowledge in that sector there. But if y'all want, I'll probably just post pictures in that Discord. But if I feel comfortable doing it, I obviously will. So just don't take that as like I won't be uploading my NQ and ES trades in there. I most definitely will at the higher tier ends of my mentorship there. So I think that's gonna wrap up for today's video. I know going into 2026, I know that you have what it takes, and if you had big losses in 2025, I want you to sit there and be able to take in all of that knowledge and execute what went wrong. Make sure you write down what all went wrong in y'all's major trades there, and then also write down what went right there, and just use that as a guide going into 2026. Obviously, I'm gonna make another video explaining what y'all can do better in 2026 there. So that's going to wrap up today's video, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all that have subscribed here on this channel, and I guarantee I'll be posting more, and I'll definitely be offering more value into 2026. So thank you, and I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and I hope y'all have a great Christmas. Please stay off the charts for this week. So that's going to be it. Thank you guys, and I appreciate everything.